Hello.
And good day everyone. We are from group tutorial SD5. Subject ICT course FAG 1003. Today we'll be exploring about technologies or systems that basically influence our modern world, which is monitoring and tracking systems. So think about it. When you check your food delivery is, or even where your parcel is, or even when you check your smartwatches to monitor your heartbeat, you are technically still using the system without even realizing it, didn't you? So basically, the system helps the industry stays efficient, people stay connected, and data keep organized. But behind that fascinating technologies, there are some challenges that the system are currently facing, which is privacy and data security. So, in this presentation, we take you through how these systems work, where they are used, and how these systems are essential in our daily life. So, let's dive in. Who wants to give us the basic first?
Thanks, Faris. I'm Hanis, the group secretary. Here's what to expect in our video. We'll begin with the basic concept of monitoring and tracking systems, then explore the components, technologies, and applications across industries like healthcare, logistics, and education. We'll also discuss privacy, security, and future innovations, and you'll even see how the systems are actually used in classrooms. So sit back, because our team is ready to track down the details, starting with what the systems actually are.
A monitoring and tracking system is a setup that helps us collect and share real-time data about people, object, and environment. This system helps us track, record, and observe movement or performance automatically. For example, GPS system is help us track vehicles and know their exact location. Meanwhile, RFID tags are used in industries and shops to track inventory and prevent loss. In short, it's all about awareness, knowing where things are, what are happening, and how things are performing in real time.
So, what makes up these systems? Let's break it down. So, every system in this world has three main components: sensors or tags to collect the data, communication network to send the data, and management platform to analyze the data. So, think of it like our body. Sensors or tags are kind of like our senses. They pick up the stimulus around us like data. And the communication networks, they are like our sensors carrying around the information throughout our brain. And our brain, they're like the management platform. They analyze the data and interpret it into real world data.
Now that was a brilliant analogy. Let's move on to sensors. Sensors are the eyes and ears of any smart system, capturing real-time data that brings environment to life. GPS works best outdoor for wide tracking, while Bluetooth and RFID excel indoors for locating people or objects. Some sensors even detect motion, temperature, or other conditions. With the right sensors, data can turn into clear insights while making fast decisions. That is all for me. Let's move on to the next question.
Alright, so once the sensor have collected the data, they need a way to send it somewhere. So that's where communication networks comes in. So we've got networks like Wi-Fi, cellular, Zigbee, and LoRaWAN. So the main function of this network is to transfer data between devices, so everything can stay connected and share information in real time. Wi-Fi and mobile data are super fast, but they use more power. Meanwhile, LoRaWAN, on the other hand, is slower but great for longer distance and save more energy. Basically, choosing the right networks helps everything to stay connected and run smoothly without any interruption.
After the data is collected, it's sent to server or cloud platform for processing. There, the system will cleanse and organize data and then turn it into useful display on dashboard. This helps users view real-time updates such as delivery location or equipment status anytime, anywhere. So, where we gonna go after this?
I guess let's go library.
For what?
Assignments.
Let me use my tracker system to find the direction to library. Okay, the tracker says I arrived at the library, but why am I in front of KK Mart? This tracker works perfectly indoor, like in the mall, but why is not working out here?
Let me tell you the difference of outdoor tracking and indoor tracking as they work differently. Outdoor tracking uses GPS satellites. They are super accurate, but they're useless indoors. Why? This is because of the big signals, signal interference, and also no direct line of sight.
Inside building, we rely on Wi-Fi signals, Bluetooth beacons, and also RFID. Combining both will give us a hybrid system that works everywhere seamlessly.
And that's exactly what industrial use on a massive scale. Nowadays, many companies and logistics uses GPS and also RFID to track their delivery and package. With this technology, it will reduce the human error and also speed up delivery. By knowing exactly where the item is, it will let the production run more smoother.
So, hospitals usually use tags to track and monitor the patients, staff, and critical equipment. If a device goes missing or a patient leaves a safety area, the alerts will go off instantly. So, this system will help the staff work efficiently and also improve the patient's safety.
Excuse me, do you have any milk in stock? Wait, let me check. Yes, we still have a few bottles left in the fridge. Oh, really? How do you know that? We do have a retail application that updates the stock automatically in real time. It helps customers shop easily anytime, compare prices, check stock instantly, and even get delivery to their door. That is very convenient. Thank you for explaining.
Plays a very big role how vehicles are improved. So the tracking systems monitor vehicles in real life time, so they can monitor the fuel easily, the driver's behavior easily. So this helps reduce operating costs and improve safety, and this makes the transportation overall more efficient. It's the same kind of technology used by Waze and Grab, which relies on GPS and data to find the best routes. I'll be passing this to Sarah, which she will be talking about tracking systems that is used in libraries.
Thanks, Leah. Now, I will show you how tracking system works for library entry. Monitoring and tracking systems are part of our daily campus life, even when we enter the library. Before going in, I open the UM Touch app and scan the QR code at the entrance. After scanning, I just key in my phone number to confirm my attendance. This helps the system record who's in the library and at what time, which improves safety and management. Once that's done, we can head inside the library. So that's all from me. Now, I will pass it to Ariana to show you how smart attendance works.
Thank you, Sarah. So let's see how the smart attendance works. Every day, taking attendance takes too long. Sometimes students even faked it. Don't worry, teacher. So try our new system attendance system using the ICT, which is face recognition or QR codes. Wow, so fast and automatic! So remember, the smart attendance made the learner smarter, and now I will pass this to Irene to talk about the laboratory and asset tracking.
You can even apply the same logic in labs. For example, the lab equipment such as microscopes, cameras, or testing tools can be tagged using the system. This allows us to record who's using them, track their movement, and reduce the chances of loss or misplacement. It can also automatically schedule maintenance or calibration based on real-time usage, ensuring that every piece of equipment stays in good condition.
We talk about classroom and lab, but tracking system don't stop indoor. Out of the field, farmers use sensors to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and even sunlight. This device sends data straight to their phone, helping them decide exactly when to harvest or water.
So basically, it's like Fitbit, but for plants?
Yes, exactly. It is smart farming, less guessing, less waste. And just like we protect our crop, we should also protect people's information, right?
Right. Once we start collecting human data, privacy becomes a big deal.
Woo!
When it comes to tracking people, things get sensitive. Everyone deserves to know what information is collected, who can see it, and how long it will be stored.
Yeah, otherwise it is feel as subjective. Not so basic people need to trust the system, and that's the time with transparency and consent.
Exactly. Tracking should empower users, not make them feel watched. Ethics and privacy should always come in before convenience.
And that's where security comes in, to keep the data safe. Oi, kau!
Security is the armor of every monitoring system. Data should always be encrypted and also protected by the strong password.
So, no more using password 123, right?
Exactly, system also need access control and also software update to prevent hacking.
Makes sense. But even with all these precautions, there are still some challenges. Every technology has its flaws. Signals can drop, devices need charging, and sometimes the systems just crash. Tell me about it. My phone GPS gets lost in tall buildings all the time. Exactly. GPS can struggle indoors. Bluetooth can interfere with Wi-Fi, and sometimes the equipments aren't cheap. Still, engineers keep improving things, making the future of tracking looks brighter.
Wait, Hui Ming, have you done your assignment? It's approaching the daylight.
After working on this project, I found that tracking systems are same like editing software that gather ton of pieces, organize them, and show the result correctly. This project taught us that how technology connect data and humans responsibly, and we hope this video can teach you how important tracking and monitoring systems are. Thank you for watching.
In summary, monitoring and tracking systems can analyze real-time data and manage people, objects, or activities. Using technologies like GPS, RFID, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, it can improve the efficiency and safety across industries, healthcare, transportation, education, and agriculture. The presentation emphasizes the need for safety, privacy, and transparency, noting that while challenges like cost and signal issues exist, advances like AI, IoT, and 5G are making these systems smarter and more reliable. That's all from us. Thank you.
What is this?